Hi. Hi, welcome to Codecast. Today I would like to show you how we can download a PyCharm IDE for the MacBook Pro. This also this also could be quite similar if you are on Windows or Ubuntu, but you just have to follow some other videos or maybe just wait for me. I will have another video for that. So in the Google Chrome, just type, or in Safari, whatever the browser you use, just type Python download and it will redirect you to the JetBrains. And in the JetBrains, I would go for the community edition because I don't have to pay for this one. But for the professional one, there's only 30 days free trial available. And then I think this is good for the companies, but this one is for the personal use. And then you have to select, oh, this is only for the MacBook, by the way, what I'm showing you right now, because we don't have anything such for the Windows. It's direct download for Windows and also I think for the Linux. But since Mac has two different chips now, M1, the specific from Apple, and the older one, which is from Intel. So mine is M1, so I would choose Apple, and then it will download a .tmg file for the setup. So now let's wait for a couple of seconds till it completes. It's done. I will just open it. Yeah, so drag and drop it to the applications. I would close this window. So yeah, once it's done, then I will just eject PyCharm. And then I would go to the Launchpad and I would type PyCharm, and here it is. That's it. So simple. Just say yes. And here we go. You have successfully installed PyCharm into your MacBook Pro. So please like and subscribe to my channel. So I will be beginning tutorials on Python and then with some very specific libraries with Python, and then we will build some projects. We will build some projects, and also we will also focus on creating PySpark examples and Spark examples, PySpark, and also unit testing and much more to come. So please subscribe to this channel and keep and get updated every time I post a new video. Thanks. See you soon.